Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very special and emotional story. It is a story about memories, family, and a small house by the sea. If you ever miss someone you love, this story is for you. Let's listen to a letter to my younger self, coffee, the sound of waves, and old letters. Sometimes the most beautiful places are not on a map, they are in our memories. I am going back to a small house in a coconut garden, to a time when my world was safe in my father's arms. This is a letter to the little girl I used to be. Dear little me, I can see you clearly. You are running barefoot in a big coconut garden. The sand is between your toes, and the sea is calling your name. You live in a small wooden house by the beach. It is not a big house, but it is filled with the smell of salt and the warmth of love. You are the youngest daughter, the baby of the family. Do you remember the afternoons in the garden? Our father is there. He is strong, and his smile is like the morning sun. He picks a fresh coconut for you, and you think he is a hero. To you, he is the strongest man in the world. In that garden, you feel like nothing bad can ever happen. At night, the house is cozy. The sound of the waves helps you sleep. Father tells you stories about the sea and the stars. He holds your small hand, and you feel so safe. You don't know about the busy world outside. You only know the taste of home-cooked food and the sound of Father's voice. These are the warmest days of your life. But little me, I have to tell you something sad. The years have passed quickly. I am a woman now, and our father is no longer here. He is gone, and the house by the sea feels very quiet. Sometimes I close my eyes and I try to find that coconut garden again. I want to hear his voice one more time, but only the wind answers me. Don't be afraid, little girl. Even though he is gone, he never truly left us. He lives in the way you smile. He lives in the lessons he taught you. That small house is still there in your heart. Whenever you feel lonely, just listen to the waves. You were loved so much, and that love will stay with you forever. Goodbye, little me. Keep running in the sun. Keep believing in the magic of the sea. You are the daughter of a king, and your home will always be where love is. Thank you for listening to this story. Memories of our loved ones are like stars. Even when they are gone, their light stays with us. Who do you miss today? Please share your story in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us create more stories for you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.